Hi viewers, in this video I'm going to show you 3 fixes for the problem which is scratch disks are full in Adobe Photoshop. So viewers, watch this video till then. My name is Saza Mathanoli. Welcome to Get Information and Knowledge YouTube channel. Let's get started.
Viewers, you can see that if I right click and then click on stock path and then click on OK button, you can see the error pop-ups on which the text appears, which is could not use the brush tool because the scratch disks are full. So the first fix for this problem is that you can see that in my case, if I go to File Explorer and then click on this PC, you can see that the local disk C is almost full. It has only 6.22 GB free of 97.0 GB, while the new volume D has 125 GB free of 140 GB. So I have two drives. So what I will do is go to Photoshop, then I will click on edit, and then I will be clicking on this down arrow until I find preferences. Then I will hover on it and then I will click on scratch disks, and then viewers, you can see that right now only one drive is used for scratch disks. As I have two drives, I have showed you one is almost full and then second one has 125.71 GB space available. So I will simply check the checkbox of this drive also, and then I will click on the OK button. Now viewers, if I right click again and then click on the stock path and then click on the OK button, you can see that now the error did not popped up. Viewers, the second fix for this problem is that let's assume that I also have only one drive. So what I will do, I will hide this drive, and now you can see that I have only one drive. So in order to fix this problem in this case, what I will do, I will simply delete a folder which I don't need anymore. For example, this one. So you can see that the size it has on my disk is 4.76 GB. You can see if I go to properties, you can see that the size it has on disk is 4.76 GB. So I don't need it. I will simply delete this folder from my local disk C. So now I will right click and then delete this folder. Then it will be moved to recycle bin. I will now go to recycle bin and then I will delete this data folder from there also. Now viewers, you can see that the space which is free is about 10.5 GB on my local disk C drive. Now if I go back to Photoshop and then scratch disks once again, and then I will simply uncheck the D drive checkbox and then click on the OK button. And now if I draw the stock path using the pen tool once again, you can see that the error did not pop up. So this was the second fix. Now I will show you the third fix. The third fix for this problem, viewers, is that, for example, there is a folder which has a large size on disk C, and you also need it because there is important data in it. So you don't want to delete it from your disk, but you can't keep it anymore also. So what you must do is use a cloud storage, for example Google Drive, etc. And then after uploading it on the cloud storage, delete that folder from your computer drive.
Viewers, hope so you liked this video. If you're new my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.